Hello there again. We are moving on with the second part in our Fibonacci with X-waves, and on the first part we've discussed what is an X-wave, that it is an intervening wave, it is a connecting wave, it is always corrective in nature. It may be a simple or a complex correction. In this example we've said that it is a simple correction, but as easy as that it can be a complex correction, but of a lower degree. And now comes the difference between different X-waves. What makes a pattern, a complex correction, to be interpreted with an X-wave? Everything starts with the Fibonacci. Fibonacci. When it goes to Fibonacci, everything goes with, of course, 61.8 or the golden ratio. 61.8% retracement. As you saw in the case of flats, the 61.8 is really important in the sense that it is mandatory for market to go beyond that. In the case of a zigzag, it is not required to go beyond that. In the case of X-waves, we have two possibilities. We have complex corrections. So whenever you have an X-wave, you have complex corrections. We have complex corrections with a small X-wave or with a large X-wave. So we go in here and we say that this is a complex correction with a small X-wave, or complex corrections with a large X-wave. Now what's the catch? Well, the catch is the 61.8 should be looked when compared with the first corrective wave. In our example, we go and take a Fibonacci retracement level from here to here, and the 61.8 retracement is the line in the sand. If market goes more, if the X-wave retraces more than 61.8, then we are talking about a large X-wave, and we look then for market to form a complex correction with a large X-wave. We look what are those corrections and we'll interpret them accordingly. If market goes and ends below that 61.8, like it is the case in our case here, it ends here, it's a complex correction with a small X-wave, and then we will look at those corrections with small X-wave and interpret them. Why is that important? Because corrections with large X-wave appear in specific situations, and corrections with small X-waves appear in other situations. So you will know each and every time where we are. And just like that, Fibonacci can be traded with X-waves. Retracements are highly dependent on the 61.8, and binary options can be traded, because if we know that this is a flat of a lower degree, A, B, C, by the time we have a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for wave C in purple, we already can trade put options, because we know that the inability of the X-waves to retrace more than 61.8 when compared with the length of the first correction, it means that this market is exhausted and a new leg lower will come. Part of a second correction, part of the whole complex correction. The same can be said on a complex correction that goes in the other way around. It is virtually exactly the same, only that at that moment of time you are looking for call options and not put options. Thank you for being here, and for more details regarding X-waves, for more details regarding Elliott waves, check our books that we are recommending on the Binary Options Academy page. Check our website, and check also our other projects that we have here. Thank you, and bye-bye.